Back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be combining my locks. I already have a crocheting video on my channel, but I wanted this one to be like me doing the whole entire process instead of just showing you guys like a small clip, because I've noticed that I don't usually show a long duration of what the tutorial or something is on, so I'm trying to get better at that. But yeah, so the locks I am combining, if you saw my 2-month update video, you know that I've been having issues with these two. Not necessarily issues, but like it's just so much thinner. As you can see, like, let me do the one behind it. See how much thinner this one is, especially in this section, and then same for this one. In a serious comparison, this one is, to be honest, kind of skinny as well. But this one, do you see this big old hole in the lock right there? Anyways, in comparison, like especially this part for this one. So what I'm actually going to do is take the lock behind it, so the second lock in this row, take these down, split those in half, and put half of the lock into this one, and the other half into this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and combine them with my crochet needle as well. So yeah, so I'm not really gonna be talking that much in this video. I'm just gonna be watching a show. I'm watching The Flash right now. The new season finally came out on Netflix, so I'm watching that. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna take these two down. I'm actually gonna take both of them down first instead of just doing one or the other, so that my part can be the same, you know? But I'm also trying to make sure that my middle part is still established and not messed up. So I'm making sure I have these clips handy. And then I'm gonna twist it. You'll see in the video, but I'm gonna two-strand twist it and then crochet them. So yeah, so enjoy the rest of this video. I'm just gonna play some music and then I'll show you guys at the end what it looks like.
Then dip me underway, you can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you
voice and her way that she like me. With her eyes, with smile, with her belt, with her hands, with her money. I am the thesis of her prayers. Her nieces and her nephews are just pieces of the layers. Only one she love as much as me is Jesus Christ the Savior. I got a feature song singing for my grandma. You sing it too, but your grandma ain't my grandma. Mine's handmade, pan fried, sun dried, south side, and beat the devil by a landslide. Praying with her hands tied, president of my fan club, Santa. Something told me I should bring my money.
Gotta move it slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday king.
So they're twisted, definitely. They're twisted tightly. They don't feel like they would unravel or anything like that. I think I might do a little bit more work on the bottoms and the ends, the ends. And I've been crocheting this one because a lot of hairs that are like from like this section and then some of it in the back, they don't stay in this one. So I had to can you see how much I'm sweating? Anyways, I had to crochet this one. This one is also crocheted, by the way, but this one hasn't been giving me any problems. I think the hair on this, well, obviously you can see the length difference, like the thickness difference as well, but the stray hairs on this side were a little bit longer, so they were easier to crochet into this. But yeah, this one is giving me a little bit more trouble, but I crocheted it last night and it's been holding decently. No, it was 2 nights ago. It's been holding pretty decently. But yeah, these are my 2 newer locks. Let's see if it blends. It's so much longer. It's much longer than the other ones. But hopefully they'll blend in without any issue. Yeah, I think I'm done. I crocheted at the root pretty decently for all 4. But the twist is pretty pretty tight, so I don't see them unraveling. I hope I was able to capture what I was doing correctly. Let me show you again all the hair that was lost from combing out just 2 locks they're a little over 2 months old. So if this is all the hair from 2 months worth for 2 locks, imagine people who comb out their whole entire head and how much hair they get for, like, you know, a year or so. So yeah, anyways. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.